Okay, so here's my 1968 Yashica MAT 124. It's the predecessor of the 124G, and this thing has been repaired. It had issues with the shutter leaves and the film transport mechanism, which all have been addressed, and now they're working fine. If you want to have a look at my other video, you can browse through my videos, and there is a video that shows how to dismantle and reassemble the whole film transport mechanism. And coupled to it is a 1966 BRAUN Hobby F100 electronic flash. It still has its original germanium transistors. I did replace some capacitors and the battery because they were all tired, but other than that it works fine. So what we're gonna do is we're going to crank this thing up, set the timer, set it to 1 second and shoot it. So okay, set the timer. Not going to set it that full, so make sure we have it on X. Okay, that is on 1 second. Okay. There you have it, guys. The 1968 Yashica MAT 124 and the 1966 BRAUN Hobby F100 flash. Hope you've enjoyed it, guys.